Spartanburg County as well as in South Carolina. The strongest one was the one in Seneca, South Carolina, which is the video you are looking at now. Pretty unbelievable video, Brad. And you were even here over the weekend working because of these tornadoes.
Yeah, we had 3 tornadoes and some damaging straight line winds as well. We'll go to that storm down in Seneca. This was the strongest tornado, only 15 yards wide, so a very narrow tornado, EF1 tornado there. Live view down in Rock Hill right now. Calmer day today across the area, and then just in the past 2 days, 2 more tornadoes were confirmed, one in Spartanburg County and another one in McDowell County. Now, this McDowell County storm, notice the rating, EF0, 80-mile-per-hour winds, about a half-mile long, but there was a big swath of straight-line wind damage, which started in Rutherford County, went across McDowell County through Burke and up into Caldwell County. This swath of wind damage had an embedded tornado in there, and this was the tornado warning we were tracking. There's the tornado right around the Nebo area, and then back up into areas of Caldwell County. You can see that damaging straight-line wind. And what's interesting, and this is a good lesson, the straight-line winds estimated at 88 miles per hour, while the tornado winds were estimated at 80 miles per hour. It goes to show you straight-line winds are just as dangerous as tornadic winds, and in fact, they take over a much bigger area. So whenever you see winds like that, you need to seek shelter in the middle of your home and get inside. There's that beautiful day today that unfolded. Really, yesterday was gorgeous. Today, almost better. I mean, temperatures in the low 80s out there, mid 80s to the south and west. There's the cold air to the northwest. That cold air is going to be heading our way here in the next 24 hours. We're going to see some colder air probably arriving late, I would say maybe as soon as late Wednesday, but really by the end of the week, we'll notice that cool down. Some clouds and showers on Wednesday, probably the only rain chances we'll see for a while as well. Behind it, the cooler air filters into the region. Now, here's the 7-day rainfall forecast. Not a lot of rain. Now, you're probably saying this is pretty dry pattern wind. Well, April typically is the driest month of the year here in Charlotte, so it's kind of living up to its climatological averages. Now, unfortunately, that dry weather also leads to really bad pollen issues because the pollen peaks this time of year as well. You throw in the windy weather this time of year, the lack of rainfall, blows all over the place. So oak, pine, and maple will be through the roof. Even with the rain on Wednesday, I don't think it's going to do much to knock it down just because the rain will be so scattered. But we are going to see a significant cool down by the end of the week. Temperatures trending below average for the end of the week into next weekend and possibly even into the following week. Now, I will tell you, average highs now in the low to mid 70s, so below average isn't exactly frigid, but it does mean highs will be probably in the upper 60s with morning lows possibly in the upper 30s and a lot of 40s showing up. So when you look at the 7-day forecast for high temperatures, yeah, 70 technically below average, even 72 will be below average, but those overnight lows will be chilly. Tonight, down into the 40s again, crisp, cool air. If you don't mind opening the windows, a little bit of pollen out there. The calmer winds at night at least don't blow too much in. Temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50. It looks a lot like it did this morning across a big chunk of our area, but check out the 7-day forecast. End of the week, temperatures take a little dip, but look at those morning lows. In particular, Friday and Saturday morning, right around upper 30s to near 40. So there's a possibility some of the typical cold spots could see some patchy frost both of those days, and we're going to stay in the low 70s into early next week.
All right, thank you, Brad. Well, today